Hi guys, it's Kamani and welcome back to my channel. So on today's episode, you don't get to see my face. I'm just gonna be sharing with you guys some Instagram tricks and edits you can do using only your Instagram app, using only your Instagram story. So enjoy and create. Hi guys, so this is the rainbow text effect. With this effect, you're gonna need both your hands on this. So you're gonna use your left hand to select the complete text, keep it selected, then you use your right hand, your right thumb to select the colors. You're gonna tap on it for long so the rest will pop up. So you keep your hand on both and you slide to the left. So you're gonna keep both hands on the text and you slide it both together to the left. It's gonna be hard at first, but when you try it and try it again, you're gonna get a hang of it. So this is the rainbow text edit or effect. Select all, you hold this end. Okay guys, so to create your Instagram story collage, you're gonna need to head over to your photo gallery and copy the picture you want to put on your story. It has to be copied and your Instagram has to be minimized, so you just slide to where you have your Instagram. Immediately you copy the picture because it pops up immediately. You can type this letter by letter. Then you can tap on draw. Sunset. This is my beach sunset edit. Save that. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be easy because all you need to do is tap on the pen, the draw pen on your story, the second one, then you write a word, then erase the middle of it and type the same word, the same text in the middle, and put whatever color you wish and design it whatever way you want. So this is mine. To create this Instagram story collage, you're gonna need a live picture. This way you just load it up on your story and hold on the picture for a long time, tap on it for a long time, then the picture automatically turns to a boomerang. So you don't need to download the app or whatever to turn your pictures into a boomerang, your live pictures into a boomerang. It's much easier this way. Then you edit it whatever word you use. Okay, so this is using different colors on a sentence. So you're gonna type in whatever word you are using and you're gonna select the parts, the words you want to change the colors of. You select the word and you tap on a color.